Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kickstart Pharma. So today we will discuss a topic known as prescription. So in our life we have seen many times this prescription, okay, but we don't know about the prescription very well, except a few people, or you can say except a section of people. Okay, so today we'll get to know what is prescription. This prescription word derived from a Latin term known as prescriptus. Pre means before and scribere meaning to write. Now the question is, what is prescription? Prescription, it is an order given to a pharmacist to prepare and dispense a certain drugs for the patient by a doctor, dentist, veterinarian, or a registered medical practitioner, or you can say a RMP. Okay, so how do we authenticate or validate that the prescription, that it is a prescription? Okay, so this is the format of a prescription. As you can see, this number one is date, number two is the details of the patient, number three is RX or superscription, number four is the inscription, number five is the subscription, number six is the signatura, number seven is the refill, and number eight is the prescriber's details. Okay, so now we will discuss about the parts of the prescription. So again, this is the parts of the prescription. Now we are starting with the parts of the prescription number 3, that is superscription or RX. This superscription RX, this term RX, it is a Latin term recipe, which means take thou or you take. In old days, this symbol considered to be originated from the sign of Jupiter. Jupiter that time was known as the god of healing. Symbol RX is considered as requesting God for the quick recovery of the patient. Now this next part, it is inscription. It is the main part of the prescription where it contains the names and quantities of the prescribed medicaments, or in easy words you can say that this part contains the name of drugs and dosage. Okay, the next part is subscription. Subscription is the direction to the pharmacist. In this part, the prescriber gives direction to the pharmacist regarding the dosage form to be prepared. Next part is signatura, or it is the direction for patient. It is usually written as sig to be placed on the label. This consists of the direction to be given to the patient regarding the administration of medicine. That means how to administer the drugs. The signatura written in English and use some Latin abbreviations like TID, BID, OD, etc. And in the next part, we will study the Latin terms and its abbreviations. Okay, so we are studying the Latin terms for different dosage forms. So number one is Australi, means eardrops, capsula amylica, caps amylac, cachetes, capsula, caps, capsules, cataplasma, cataplasm poultice, charta, chart, powder, colutrium, colute, mouthwash, collyrium, collyre, eye lotion, crema, creme, cream, dentrificum, dentif, dentrifies, emulsio, emulsion. Next is gargarisma, gargle, infusium, infusion, gutei, GTT, drops, inhalatio, inhalation, injectio, injection, insufflatio, insufflation, linimentum, liniment, lica, leak, solution, lotio, lotion, mistura, mist, mixture, nebula, spray lotion, oleum, oil, pasta, paste, paces, pessary, pilula, pill, pulvis, powder, tabella, tablet, unguentum, ointment. Now we will study the Latin terms for the method of administration or application. Okay, so these are, first it is addendus or to be added, applicandus to be applied, ad usum externum, add us enter for external use. Next is agita ante usum, that is agit a us, shake before use. Capiendus, capiend to be taken. Sumendus, s or some to be taken. Conspurge, conspur, dust or sprinkle. Dandus, dand to be given. Dolentipati, dolent part to the infected area. Dolore urgente means dole urge when pain is severe. Deglutiendus, deglute to be swallowed. Gutatim, gutim drop by drop. Instillendus, instilland to be dropped in. Infrecandus, infrequent to be rubbed. Lente, slowly. Miscendus, miscend to be mixed. Quantum sufficient, qs as much as sufficient. Secondum, according to. Next is sign, that means without. Setim, stat immediately. Utendus, utend to be used. Now we will know the Latin terms for the times of administration. Times per day. Semelindi, semindi once in a day. Bisindi, bid twice in a day. Tarindi, tid thrice in a day. Quarterindi, qid or qd 4 times in a day. Sexisindi, sex id 6 times in a day. Bistubindi, btid 2 or 3 times a day. Quaque hora, QQH every hour, singulis ora, sing or every 1 hour, hora, decubitus, HD at the bedtime, cutis opus sit, cute OS as after as necessary, cute die, cute or daily. Now we will get to know the times of the day. So what are the times of the day? There is primo men. Primo men, prime M early in the morning, primalus, prime Luke early in the morning, men M in the morning, omnimen OM every morning, omni nocte ON every night, internocte internocte during night, nocte N at night, vespia vesp in the evening, gentaculum gentac breakfast. As many of you has heard that Gentac is a tablet which is taken before the breakfast. Okay, now we will get to know hour or time of the Latin terms and its abbreviations and the English meaning of it. So omni hora, OH every hour, queque secondra hora, there is QQ sec H, there is every alternate hour, alternis alternis horis, alt ho every 2 hours. Now some correlated terms. As many of you have seen these correlated terms before the drugs, just like paracetamol 650 mg, BID or ODPC. So BDPC or ODPC. So these are the Latin terms, just like antisebos. Just I said that PC, this means PC means post sebos, after meal. Antisebos AC before meal. Intersebos IC between meal. Opposite SOS when required. Now the Latin terms for the parts of our body. So first is brachy. Brachy, brack to the arm, capiti, capiti to the head, corpori, corp to the body, cruri to the leg, mama to the breast, pectori, sterno and thoraci are to the chest, ori to the ear or for the ear, oribus to the ears or for the ears. Okay. Next is guturi, gut to the throat, in orium sinistrum, in or sinist into the left ear, in oculum dextrum, in ocul dext into the right eye, in singulus aureus, in sing or into each ear, jugulo jug to the throat, naso to the nose, oculis ocule for the eyes, oculo ocule to the eye or for the eye, procapillis procapilli for the hair, pro oculis for the eyes, pro-oculo-levo for the left eye, and pro-singulis oculis for pro-oxing ocule, that means for each eye. So that's it guys. Thank you everyone. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Kickstart Pharma. Thank you.